In this video, I'm going to show you how I clean my range top. So if you're interested, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me, and you're in the right place if you like to make decorating a bit easier on a budget. If so, then click that red subscribe button you see down below. A bell will appear. Click that bell and then click all, and you'll be notified each time I upload something new. Today I'm continuing on with my series of kitchen organization and refresh. So in this episode, I was asked on how I clean my range top. So I thought, why don't I just show you the products I use and how I clean it. So if you're interested in seeing what that all is, you know what to do. Stick around. Now here are the products that I use to clean my range top. Now I use the Wayman Cooktop Daily Cleaner to keep it up after I do a heavy scrub on it. And I use the Wayman Glass Top Cleaner, heavy duty cleaner and polished, and that's a cream. I also use the Method Steel Cleaner, and then I use the Method Multi-Purpose Cleaner I get from Grove Collaborative. Now I do have a video, and I'll link it, of why it's in this bottle and the koozie and all of that. I have an organization thing I use to keep my cleaners organized, to keep down on space. Now also that comes with in a kit for the Wayman glass cleaner, it has a little, as I'll show you, this scrub brush here, and it has this scraper, which is, it holds a razor blade. Now when you put your cream down, you use those two items to clean. Now I'm going to start with the back of my stove, and then I'm just going to stop talking and let you watch me clean. Now here it is, clean and shining. The burner tops, I need to wipe it again. I didn't get enough of the shine on it that I like. And the front of the stove, I use the multi-purpose cleaner to clean the front part of the oven. So that is all clean and shiny and ready for me to start cooking on. So basically, to clean it, the razor blade is used if you have stuck on food on there. You put that cream I had on there and you use your razor at an angle to scrape off anything you have on there. And it comes out beautiful every time. If you haven't gone already to check out creativelymissme.com, check out my blog, where I have created forms to make planning easier for home organization and for content creators. Make sure you sign up for the quickest updates. If you like my content, you know what to do. Give your girl a thumbs up, comment, and share my video. And never stop exploring. Continue to the last screen. There's always something new on that last screen. And as always, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me saying thank you for watching, and you be blessed.